Hi, I want to show you how to create a sticker from a video on iPhone. For that, start by going in Photos app and here select video from which you want to create sticker. Now you need to pause at the moment where you saw object which you want to transform to a sticker, and you are gonna press and hold this object, release, to see this list of options from which we need to choose Add Sticker. After that, you will immediately see it in your stickers pack. You can also click here and add effects such as outline, comic, puffy, shiny, and tap down to save changes. Now, to send the sticker, we can open Messages app, for example. Tap on this iMessage field to trigger a keyboard. And now you can either tap on the plus and add stickers by tapping this option, or you can click on emoji icon on the keyboard. From here, swipe right and find all of your stickers. Now all is left is to tap a sticker you want to send and tap this share icon to send the sticker. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.